Hi, I'm Leia Tenuta, and I'm from St. Jude Liturgical Arts Studio, and I'm here at St. Mary's Basilica Cemetery in front of this beautiful columbarium, and we are installing these images of beautiful Azulejo tile, and it's a Portuguese tile that is painted and depicted from the Portuguese a while ago, and it was heated so they would actually maintain the color. And with these 4 images that are being displayed here in the cemetery to give those who are grieving and honoring them with such beautiful life of heaven, and the archangels and Our Lady and Joseph, it's just a beautiful way to give back to this wonderful area. And also the images are also just so lovely to see. They're being installed today, and yeah.
So can you tell me why your faith life is such an important part of your family's business, and why doing something like this is so important to you all as a family?
Absolutely. Lou DeCoco started this business about 40 years ago, St. Jude Liturgical Arts Studio, because he not only found this business as a vocation and a passion, but a need for the church itself. When a priest would go and ask, oh, I need a new statue, or I need marble installed around the tabernacle, or I need a new tabernacle, or I need new pews, you don't just call anybody. You call someone who knows the design, the skill, the architecture, the actual beauty of the church. And Lou understood that need. And from here, all of that grew. And Father Hathaway chose Lou and St. Jude Liturgical Arts Studio to help grow these projects. We've been doing multiple projects for this community and this church, and we're so grateful to be part of it as well. And my faith and our faith plays a huge devotion, because like I said, it's not our work or profession, it's a vocation.